Hey y'all, welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet foundation chain. This technique is great because it lets you create your chain and your first row of single crochet at the same time. That means no tight starting chain, much more flexible edge, and less twisting. This method is perfect for projects like blankets, scarves, hats, and straps. So grab your yarn and a hook and let's get started. Now, if you need more detailed instructions on making a slip knot, please check out Darlene's Basic and Beyond Crochet course on my channel. Now, before we get started, we are going to talk about the supplies that we need. Yarn, a crochet hook, scissors, and a needle to weave in your ends. We are going to get started by making a slip knot. Now, we are going to work in 2 chains. 1 and 2. Now we're going to go back and work into the second chain from the hook, or some will say the first chain that you made. So we're going to put the hook in that first chain, yarn over, pull through. That is your first chain stitch. We are going to yarn over, pull through that first loop on your hook. That is your first single crochet. Now we are going to yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. That is your first crochet stitch. Next, we're going to look at the top where you see the V and then the bottom where you see these two. We are going to go under both of these loops at the bottom. Then we are going to yarn over and pull through to make your second chain. Then we are going to yarn over, pull through that first loop to make your second crochet, then yarn over and pull through both to make your second crochet stitch. You will begin to see the chain start to form. We are going to do this again. We're going to go under both loops next to your working, yarn over and pull through both of those loops. Then we are going to yarn over, pull through that first loop on the hook, yarn over again, and pull through both. Now you can begin to see that chain forming. We'll do this one more time. Go under both loops next to your working, yarn over, pull through both of those, yarn over, pull through first one, and then yarn over and pull through both. And there you have it. You just keep repeating this process until you reach the length that you want for your project. Once you're finished, you already have your first row of single crochet completed, which saves you time and gives your project a stretchy, clean edge. And that's how you make a single crochet foundation chain. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and join the journey. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!